Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this warp slide transition effect in After Effects. Starting off, I already have my two clips right here, so I'm gonna go over here, right click, go to new and create our adjustment layer right here. And then for the first effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be glow. Go to our threshold and bring it to 51, and it's gonna be much harsh right here, be able to see. Then I'm gonna bring up our radius to 266. And it's going to help smoothen out our glow effect right there. I'm going to close out the glow menu right there. Then for the next effect I'm going to add, it's going to be S_blur mode curves. Then I'm going to go here to warp X and warp Y and go on reflect for both. Then I'm going to open up our timeline and actually zoom in a bit so we're going to be able to see our frames a bit much closer. Then I'm going to go to our 14th frame right here. And I'm going to put our shift X right here. I'm going to create our first keyframe right there. Make sure it's at 0 on a 14th frame. Then I'm going to head to the 21st frame right here. Then I'm going to bring it up all the way to 3150 or 3150. And it's going to give us a nice slide warp transition right here. So you'll be able to see right there. But I'm going to go back and I'm going to highlight both of our keyframes right here. And ease them by pressing F9 on our keyboard right there. Once after that, I'm going to close out our S_blur mode curves menu right there. Then I'm going to go right here and add the exposure effect. Then I'm going to head over here to our 14th frame. Go to our exposure and create our first keyframe right here. Then I'm going to head towards the 14th frame. Then I'm going to bring up all the way to 7. And it's going to start giving us a crazy kind of a defied effect. So I'm going to head towards the 21st frame right here. Oh, actually the 22nd frame. Then I'm going to go over here to our exposure and bring it down all the way to 0. Highlight all of our 3 keyframes and ease by pressing F9. Close our exposure menu right there. Then I'm going to add noise, turn off use color noise, and put our amount on 13. Close out our menu and close out our timeline. Save our project so we don't lose any of our progress. And yeah, that is how you create a warp slide transition effect in After Effects. And apart from that, keep working hard and keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.